Be ready. Start. Sir, similar provision should be thought of here also so that the court would come to the rescue of the persons and see that the matter is settled. Now, the position is that assistance of lawyer would be given to the plaintiff. The High Court is authorized to frame rules as it deems fit, but God alone knows when the High Court will frame such rules. Legal aid should not be taken as only an assistance of a lawyer. Now you are giving assistance of only lawyer to plaintiff who is needy. But what about defendant who is also equally poor? I am not talking about poor defendants. He is equally needy and he should be entitled to legal assistance. This, of course, comes within the purview of legal aid. There is also another proposal in the amending bill that case which has been brought should be disposed of within 60 days. Under the election law, election petitions are required to be disposed of within 6 months, but they are never disposed of within 6 months. They take years. So it is only a pious wish. Much time is taken up in serving notice of the appeal on the respondents. So, though it is a good thing, I doubt whether this will be achieved. Sir, none of the objects for which the amending bill has been brought forward can be achieved by this amending bill. But the bill is helpful in one respect. It has streamlined the procedure. It has removed doubts. It has removed conflict of judicial decisions by codifying the law. On legal aid, the question is how the litigant can have inexpensive justice and also speedy justice. Court fees have become major source of revenue for each state government and every year they raise court fees. It is impossible for the litigant to pay such high court fees. The law minister told us that last year he had written to chief ministers about it, but there has been no effect so far. When I spoke on law ministry's demands this year, I said that court fees should be kept within reasonable limits and that they should not be raised. Administration of justice is also a function of a state which is a welfare state. Another way of imparting inexpensive and speedy justice is to decentralize the courts. Courts should be established at each block headquarters so that the litigant will not be compelled to take the witnesses to the nearby cities. The witness is the major source of expenditure for the litigants because witness has to be treated like an honored guest.